What is going on, guys? Today we are back. Roll the new intro. Whoa, what was that? Right? Never had an intro before on this channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I kinda dig it. Anyways, this video, a little bit of an update video. My truck, it's been in Fernie for the last 3 weeks, I think. But yeah, seeing how it's been in Fernie, I got a little bit of footage like when I was working on it with Ryan, but there was only so much we could do together. And he's been working hard on it. He actually got it through the inspection. I don't know what that was, but yeah, I'm pretty stoked. While it's been in Fernie though, he's been working on it, not me, so I couldn't really film much, so I didn't really have an episode to show you here. So after the truck got through inspection, Ryan got hard at work on my new bumper. Here, some pics right there. Yeah, I'm stoked. I think it looks incredible. In exchange for Ryan welding up my bumper, I've actually got his wiring harness stuff from his 22RE to 3RZ, and I'm building him a conversion harness. I got experience with my 3.4 swap, so I'm a little bit more qualified, and I was confident that I can get it done, and it is pretty much done. I just need to get the soldering and junk. The plan is I'm going to bring the truck home this weekend. I'm pretty stoked for that. It depends on the weather. Right now it's kind of iffy. The highways are a little icy, and I don't really want to drive my truck home on the ice. I know, that's awesome. Drive the truck home. I'm stoked. But yeah. Anyways, enough of the truck news. In other news, my wife's 4Runner just hit 500,000 kilometers. That's insane. A little bit of background on that truck. I've pretty much replaced everything as far as front and rear suspension goes. It was collapsed when I got the thing. As far as engine work, the only thing I've ever done on it was water pump and timing belt. That was also never ever done on it. So that whole project was fixing neglect. But it's okay. It's a pretty decent 400 now, and as I said, just passed 500,000 K. Woo! Anyways, guys, let me know what you think of the intro. Let me know if you're stoked to see my truck on the road. I sure am. I'm so stoked for the future of this channel, and the videos that me and that truck are going to produce are going to be awesome. Yeah. So anyways, see you guys in the next one. Peace.